In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board in Monday.com. Whether you're starting from scratch or using a template, this will help you organize your workflow fast. Let's get started. First, go to Monday.com and sign into your account using your email or Google login. Next, on the left-hand sidebar, click the plus button beside the Workspace section to start a new board. Then choose Board. You'll be given two options: New Board or Start with Template, depending on your preference. For this video, I'll go with Start with Template to save time and effort. After that, you'll see a list of templates across different use cases. Scroll through and select Project Management. Finally, click Use Template, and your new board will automatically be added to your workspace with pre-filled columns and items. And that's how to create a new board in Monday.com. If this tutorial made your setup easier, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more smart productivity tips. See you next time!